Hi, it's Arit here. Welcome to the Essetino Artist channel, where we release all kinds of videos related to money, mindset, and marketing for creative entrepreneurs. In today's video, I have a super exciting announcement for our Etsy sellers who are watching on the channel. Guess what, guys? You can finally add videos to your listings. Woo! So exciting. This is way overdue. It's a new feature that Etsy just added, and you're now able to not just use photos for your listings, but actually upload a video that shows your product in a way that images can't. So super exciting. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that on your listings and also give you some ideas for what you can do with videos. So if I head over to my dashboard here, I'm in the back end of my shop. So what you want to do is you want to go over to listings, and I'll show you how you can actually add a video to your listings. So you might have already seen this little banner at the top of your listings page here saying you can now make your items shine with videos, and Etsy will show the video to some buyers as part of a new experiment. So what they're doing is they're testing to see whether buyers are actually clicking on the listings more because they are showcasing or they have videos included. So they're going to run some tests and obviously let us know the results of those tests to make the most of videos, right? So what you want to do to upload a video is to go to any one of your listings. I'm going to click on this one right here, and right underneath the photos section, you'll see where it says video. So this is where you will upload your video, and there's a few things to keep in mind. Number one, you can only include a 5 to 15 second video in here, and also it will be without sound. So keep that in mind. I know I have a viewer who sells wind chimes, handmade wind chimes in their Etsy store, so that might not be so good for them. But in terms of, showcasing the way that it moves or the way that it hangs, this is what you guys want to think of, is how can I showcase my product in a way that a static image cannot? So if you're selling clothing, think about showcasing certain details or certain textures or the way that it's worn on an actual model, the way that it drapes, the way that it's styled. If you are selling a more functional product, like maybe a jewelry stand or a coffee mug, actually show in the video like a lifestyle video of how it's being used. Show it in use. Maybe you have coffee pouring into the mug with your design on it, and then actually someone taking a sip. This is an opportunity to bring your product to life, so you definitely want to take advantage of this. Now, Etsy has some best practices over here, a few points in terms of, making sure your camera is on good resolution and the aspect ratio. I'm not going to dive into those details. You'll have them here, and there's also a link to an article with more details. The purpose of this video is just to showcase this feature. So I'm going to show you actually what this looks like on the front end. So let's upload a video. I already have one ready to go somewhere in here. Let's do this one. All right, so I put together this quick video. It's a mock-up video of someone actually wearing the t-shirt that we designed. So it's just going to render like this. You'll see it load in. And then let's see what it looks like on the front end. So I'm going to publish this. So your video will automatically show up here as your second item to be showcased, second to the primary photo that you selected in your listing. So you can see here, it's a cute little video showcasing how it's worn. Maybe not the best. I mean, you could do better with this in terms of what it looks like, so you could see how long it is and that kind of thing. But I just wanted to throw something quickly here for you guys to see. So how is your product used? How is your product worn? How is your product, what does it look like in the actual setting that it's supposed to be in? If it's something pretty straightforward, like a picture frame with a quote in it or something like that, maybe you could show it sitting on a desk or being hung on the wall. Or if you want to take it even a step further, and what you see is pretty much what you get with the product, you can even show the creative process of it. So bring it more to life, have people connect with the process of it. You could do like a sped up version of what it looks like from start to finished product, and have that be in 15 seconds, and you're gonna really make an impression on your listing. So guys, that is it for this video. Let me know what you think. Are you going to be using the Etsy videos feature? I would love to hear from you. And if you're new to Etsy, I have a whack load of videos all about, increasing your sales and understanding the cost of selling items on Etsy and all this kind of stuff, shipping. I'll put a link to that playlist in the description below so you can binge watch on that later. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.